Welcome to the Clockwork Ocean. The view of our blue planet is shaped by satellite images. The images depict the complex dynamics of an environment not yet fully understood. The global ocean currents transport enormous water masses through rhythms of winds and tides, influencing global climate and life in the oceans. Like clockwork gears, massive eddies are closely interlocked with the ocean currents. Mostly hidden from satellites, countless small eddies lie just beneath the water's surface. They measure only a few kilometers wide and collapse within a few hours. These small, rarely studied gears have an enormous influence on the ocean's currents, energy transport, and food chain. To detect the eddies and to comprehend the complex Clockwork Ocean, eddy hunters strive to develop new observation methods. The scientists scan the sea surface by aircraft using a systematic grid pattern. When an eddy is detected, a research zeppelin permanently parks overhead, while a special camera never lets the eddy out of its sight. The sensors capture the ocean's color and measure temperature differences to far less than 1/10 of a degree Celsius. The color spectrum provides information on microalgae concentration and growth. These marine algae produce as much oxygen as all the plants on land put together. Their growth is heavily influenced by the eddies. The coasts are of particular relevance to the eddy hunters. Physical, chemical, and biological processes are closely interlinked in these regions. A precise understanding of the natural processes and changes is required for the sustainable use of coastal regions. By means of research vessels, the scientists study currents, the seafloor, and sea life. Instruments are lowered into the sea for collecting water samples or to measure temperature and currents. To save valuable time before the eddy collapses, the eddy hunters also employ small, fast vessels and pull an instrument chain through the eddy. Several affixed instruments measure the water's temperature, salinity, and chlorophyll concentration. This data helps researchers derive how the eddies influence energy transport and algae growth in the sea. The researchers understand the dynamics of the Clockwork Ocean a little better with each expedition. But still, numerous questions remain. How can fish orient themselves over long distances by means of temperature when many eddies lie on their route? How important are these small eddies for global climate? What exactly drives the Clockwork Ocean?